our 3-box mixer of Topps triple thread, HTA Bowman Chrome, and Topps hobby box, and everyone voted to do the triple threads last, so that last. So we just do breaks, but on Wednesdays we hang out inside of a card shop and do it. So that's why Wednesdays, if you guys are interested in any personals or anything like that, like I said, you can just contact us. Eventually, if we can get a little bit of a following for Wednesdays, we'll, like I said, we'll just sit here and pick stuff off the shelf, and like I said, we have a empty box. Empty box.
That's one you sit on for give it a year or two.
It was yeah, we've discussed that. I think he actually does in-store break. Are you doing? Or you just occasionally here and there? So yeah, so he'll do in-card breaks. I think he does mostly on Saturday. If you contact us, I'm assuming you follow us on Twitter if you're watching on Periscope. So if you contact us, then we can give you the information if you're interested in live breaks.
Might even let us run a couple.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so we break. Well, if you're not far away, I mean, we break inside. We're inside of Sim Sports Cards. So you might have been here before. You're not too far away. Say about 15 minutes below Baltimore. Who's that? That top 5. It's been sitting up there for a while, right? Oh, I was thinking of tier 1. 5 there.
I can just live vicariously through you. I can't sit there to pick stuff up, so I'm, getting to watch you be able to do it.
Or you can hit a judge. Who is it? Nice. Number to what? Yeah, guys, we have our 5-star half case up. If you guys are interested. Once we get through this top hobby, it'll get a couple smoother. This is it's a bulky. He's in a card shop.
Why is it? We can show them the previews for some spot photos.
Yeah. Oh, guys. Take some of them. Got a 310 of the archives up. We had a couple nice hits out of that last week. We pulled a Luis Severino number to 26 auto. That was a nice one. See some crazy hits posted by other people. I've seen a couple. I've seen a Ichiro 101 in a Mariners uniform and an Ichiro 101 in a Marlins uniform. Which, anytime you get an Ichiro autograph, it's a pretty good card. Doesn't really shine much. So that's just $10 a spot, including shipping.
I got a 130 first week here.
Okay. Oh, we gotta, yeah, before I start showing cards, I forgot, I gotta announce the giveaway. I have the name, I just gotta pull it up for the Facebook giveaway. So yeah, sorry about that, guys, with the Facebook giveaway.
Wow.
I started up before I, hit myself. But before I show any cards, I'll announce. Alright. Oh wow, nice. You know what, I might have to show off that Altuve after this break's done. Alright, give me 1 second. I have the name saved on.
None have sold on eBay yet. Yeah.
Computer's taking forever to load.
I see one.
I thought I had it saved or I could see it. Go back to my page. Sorry, guys. Alrighty, so there we go. Our winner is Robert Bayless. So we'll go ahead and type that in. Robert, I don't know, he probably isn't watching. Oh, good job, Wally. So right now, so we just announced the winner on, it's Robert Bayless. Once Tom gets back, he'll type that in.
You said Robert B.
Yeah.
Robert.
Come on.
Glad you made it, Tom. Good luck. From one Tom to another.
Alright, so there we go. We now see a winner. Just shop an IM on Facebook. Hopefully you can get over here. So this is the first box. And it's the Topps update of our 3-box mixer. Some of these cards are going to be upside down, and I'm not going to flip them.
Variation.
Yeah, so what was the number on the variation again?
I saved it on my phone.
Yeah, we're going to have to look up the number of the variation.
1 second.
We're shipping all cards out of this, so if we do miss a variation. Tom's looking it up right now. I think it's 557 it ends in. I mean, I could tell you. It'd be different. Yeah, I think it's 557. Got an insert, Johnny Ray. There we go, Bellinger rookie. Ian Happ rookie. Nice card. That's just a checklist. Got an Aaron Judge rookie. Yeah. All right. So yeah, that is a variation right there. Just had to double check. Oh. Clayton Kershaw. It's confused me. I saw the orange jersey. Little shimmer. Anyone else cut out? Are you watching on breakers? Oh, good. Again, all cards ship, so if, I know there might be a couple of areas. I'm trying to keep on the variations. There we go. Bellinger rookie. Oh. There we go. That's a nice card there. We have Andrew Benintendi, rookie variation. It's a nice hit for the Red Sox. It's a good last-second pickup there, Jake. Right off the bat. Jake, you're having... Is Jake the only one having issues? I saw Vox said, and it was just... He was fine.
Game starts in 10 minutes.
Yeah. Go. One of like 38 Bellinger rookies that you'll see before we're done.
7 now, I think.
Score Seager. Oh, I got a number to 2017. Arte for the Braves. I'm gonna mod Tom. You get a chance. Expos insert. I go to the Nats. There we go. Mike Trout. Insert. Oh. This might be not a variation. I thought it would might be a variation there. So this should have at least one auto or a relic in this box. Aaron Judge rookie. There we go. Ichiro shimmer card. Foil, I guess that would be. Technical name. And I know there's some new names in here, so you can see your name's in green. It's just another variation card of the... Look at that. Jake, look at there, Jake. Did you see your first... this is a second Andrew Benintendi variation rookie. Did you see the first one?
So side by side.
That's a nice pickup. Here's the... You might have been out. Look at that. You just pulled that one a second ago, and then you got the... Some nice hits there for the Red Sox. They were the last team available. Again, with our...
We
got a string of people picking up teams last second. So if you're in any of our breaks and you see there's like 1 or 2 teams available, make sure you grab the last one.
That would be the hot team.
It's the hot team every time. Yeah, we're only basically one stack in, and you go put them in. I would just put them in penny sleeves.
These two.
Nothing. No, they're nothing. Just running out of room. Here, I'll stack them over here. Okay. There we go. For the Pirates. Roberto Clemente variation. So yeah, I was talking about the... If your name is in green or in... Oh, look at that. I keep getting Justin Verlander. Reprint. Just payment. If your name's in green, that means you're eligible for a bad beat. So if you don't get a hit, and a hit's a numbered card. There we go. Rookie Mark Zagunis for the Cubs. Numbered to 2017. Come on, camera. Focus in. Focus in. Focus in. Small focus in. There we go. The Cubs. If you don't get a number card, an auto, or a relic, and your name is in a color, there you are in our bad beats. Dustin Pedroia insert. Birds in the Garden for the Cardinals. Numbered to 2017. Oh. There we go. For the Cubs, Chris Bryant variation. For the Diamondbacks, Daniel Descalso. Foil. Yeah, we're going to have to cut this game on here in a second. Let's do it in the background. Marcell Ozuna, I believe this is a variation.
Mike, where's the TV?
Watch it on my, put it on my laptop.
Okay, will you watch on your laptop?
Well, I'm not worried about you. You can listen to the sound while I watch it. That looked weird to me, I thought. Do what? Insert for the Braves. Look at that. A Longoria insert.
It'd be awesome to be on the West Coast. The World Series coming on.
Yeah, it would be. It would be nice. Yadier Molina, another numbered card for the Cardinals. I don't think that applies to Thomas if he's in. He's in blue. This variation. No.
Yes.
Franklin Beretta, just an insert. And a little gold, little hue to it. Mark Trumbo. Thought it might have been something. Guess I was wrong. Still looking for our auto or... Oh, I saw it. Prince Fielder.
going hard.
You already got a nice.
He's going hard. He already got a two-day auto, man.
Yeah, I tried to get like 3 packs.
Uh oh, there we go. Greg Maddux variation. The Braves.
One behind.
I'd like the over-under if you don't touch it. That's crazy.
There we go. For the Tigers, Justin Upton, number to 2017. Let this camera focus in for a second. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, camera. Come on, camera. Focus in. It refuses to focus in. All right. Well, that's Justin number to 2017.
That's cool. Meant to be.
All right, there's our hit. I'll put it in the back. There we go. Found the relic. Yeah, Chris Coughlin. You got Bach? What's that?
Towers looks good.
Oh, you got it on your laptop? That's rude.
Huh?
So that's rude.
How am I going to put the volume on for you?
Cody Bellinger. Look, that's a third different kind of. Oh, and that's a variation. Nice. There we go. That's a nice hit for the Dodgers there. Cody Bellinger variation. Aaron Judge rookie. Closing in on our hit. And our hit for this box, Jake Lamb for the Diamondbacks, number 250. Nice hit for the D-backs. There we go. That shows up already. Yeah, we're gonna have to turn the volume up here.
I'm going to need a bunch of stuff. Oh, Bregman. Double.
Oh, so we're gonna go with the Chrome next. So this should be. I'm about to turn the sound on. So this will be 3 cards. So this part, the break will be pretty quick. Empty box. Stringer doubled and scored on a Bellinger throwing error. Nice. I figured that was just excitement, Jake. Didn't know if you were pulling for the Astros there. Go. It's a fancy little case to put it in. Alrighty. Oh, I got it upside down. And here we're playing around. So our first hit for the Padres. Dilson Lamet. If I get this focus in. There it goes. Nice hit for the Padres. Base. There we got. Oh, we got something blue here for the Royals. Look at that. Ryan O'Hearn. Blue shimmer. Oh,
Two for Kevin E back to back.
Kevin E cleaning up. Come on, focus in. The camera with these Bowman Chromes will not focus in. Let's see if I can get it to focus in on the There it goes. Number to 150. Yeah, that's an awesome card there.
Alright.
Alrighty, our last card for the Chrome.
They call that mo.
For the Athletics, Daniel Gossett, purple auto. Numbered to 250. Yeah, I can't believe they should have put the blue card in the back. Come on, focus in. Alright, well, the camera review. It's numbered to 250, you can trust me. It's purple Bowman Chrome. For some reason, it fights with the Bowman Chrome. I don't know if it's because it's shiny. Alrighty, and the last box of the Chrome of the mixer is our triple threads. It was voted in to go last. So. Empty. Put the razor blade away too soon. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's Mojo. Well, I know they had the Mojo Chrome, and they all come out. They all come out like that.
They're only HTA.
Yeah. No, they have the 2007 like Bowman Mojo. That's the Japanese player that's in there.
Shimmer variations.
Yeah, I know you're talking.
Only in HTA. These are black and breakers.
Was it you or?
Refresher.
Nah, it's good on breakers. All right. It's probably because you got so much going on your laptop.
Probably.
We just listen to the sound, man, so it doesn't get anything up. Be afraid it would mess the feed up. Alrighty. Xander Bogaerts base, and we will have a recap at the end. Max Scherzer base. Corey Seager base, and let's hide the hits here. Felix Hernandez for the Mariners, numbered to 340. Yeah, number 340. For the Mariners again, Ken Griffey Jr., numbered to 150. Order down for the Cardinals, Matt Carpenter, number 236. There it goes. And our auto. Oh, look at that. For the Indians. Edwin Encarnacion, number 218.
It's killing me not to make a
Who's the Indians?
right now.
Jason G. I don't know if Jason G is in here.
Incarnation.
Yeah. That's a nice hit there. It's a pretty card. Piece of bat all up in it. Yeah. Go. And our last box of the break. Again, we'll have a recap, and it looks like we're going to have a few people on bad beats. Jackie Robinson base. Baltimore. That's still a sore spot, even though it's been 2 years, man. For sale base. Julio Urias base. Try not to show off these. Another Felix Hernandez, numbered to 349. Second one of those. Mariners are all up in this box. Johnny Bench for the Reds, number 2, 150.
Kevin E's killing it.
Yeah, Kevin E's cleaning up. I don't know if Kevin's in here. I guess I don't have Periscope up in chat. I guess probably a good idea.
Of course, I could have stopped up the game for me.
There we go. Alrighty, so we got Ian Happ. Oh, it's an auto. I've only got 2 autos in here. For the Cubs, number to 25. That's a nice hit for the Cubs. Who's got the Cubs? Who's got the Cubbies? Adam. Nice hit, Adam. I think you're in on Periscope. And our last card of the break. Robinson Cano. That is Mariners are killed it in this box. There we go. It's a good way to end the break. Number to 27. And we'll do a little recap here, and then we'll figure out who is in the bad beats. Let me do the, what are these? I just know the
variations.
Okay, so here's our variations from the update. So you got a Bellinger as a nice hit right there. Bellinger variation. Get zoom in there. Come out. Greg Maddux variation. Chris Bryant variation. David Dahl. Andrew Benintendi. Another Andrew Benintendi. A couple of them there for the Red Sox. And Roberto Clemente. It's cool that they put some veterans in there for that. And our relic from there is the Jake Lamb for the D-backs. Go zoom in. There it goes. Alrighty, so yeah, so here's the numbered from there. These are all to 2017. Justin Upton, Yadier Molina for the Cardinals. Mark Zaganis for the Cubs. And Ciarte for the Braves. There we go, the foils for the Chris Coughlin. Kershaw. And Ichiro. Alrighty, let's do our numbered from, before we get to our autos, see the autos for last. Felix Hernandez, number to 340. Felix Hernandez, number to 340. Johnny Bench, number to 150. Ken Griffey, number to 150. It's a cool card. Nathan Griffey. Carpenter, Matt Carpenter relic, number to 36. And a Robinson Cano relic, number 227. And our autos, so the chrome off first. Daniel Gossett. Blue, purple chrome, number to 250. Wilson Lamet, base auto. And Ryan O'Hearn. A nice hit, number to 150. And our 2 triple thread autos, Ian Happ, number to 25. And there we go. And the Baltimore Killer, apparently. Edwin Encarnacion. Still haunts us. Number to 18. It's a nice hit there. Alright, so we got Brandon M.
Yep. Jaden C.
Jaden C.
Kyle W.
Kyle W.
And Suda T.
Suda T. So those 4, if you want to drop a number in the chat, numbered 1 through 30, we can get you going on the bad beats.
Wait for that. Five star.
And we have 5-star up while we wait for that. So Kevin W, I'm assuming. before I assume that's you. Where the bad beats at? So Kevin W with 7. I would just fill him in. Fill him in red so we know. Oh, grab 2 there. Good luck, Kevin. Michael Kopech, Bowman Chrome. We haven't pulled an auto in a while.
Look at that. He bought
Number
the-
to 499.
He bought the White Sox.
Look at that. It's like it was meant to be. Ironic. Guy who throws what, 107 apparently. Marker up. Okay. All right, so we're still waiting from Brandon M, Kevin E. Or no, sorry, Kevin E. No, I'm not looking here. Can't say Jaden C. Sorry, Jaden.
Yeah.
And I can't see that name. Suda. Suda? There he is. Good look on my laptop. I don't see them on breakers. So if anyone would be nice enough to give us a number 1 through 30 for Jaden. That's not 7. Kevin gave us 25 on breakers, and Adam gave us 5 on Periscope, so we'll use 5 next for the next person in line. So we'll use 25 from breakers, and this is for this next in line, so Jaden. This is for Jaden C, if you're watching later. And a Hanley Ramirez, Gold Bowman Chrome, number to 50. Alright. We have to pull an auto out of here. Alright, so we'll use there we go. Dodgers fighting back. Alright, Adam was nice enough to give us 5 for who's next in line? Who's Jaden?
Well, wait, we got Brendan N at the top, and
So
Suda at
we'll
the
do
bottom.
We'll do Brendan. That's Brendan. So this is for you, Brendan. You're watching later. There we go. Auto. Tyler Anderson. Prime Cuts auto. Number 299. That's for Brendan. Brendan M. And if someone would give us one for Suda, be greatly appreciated.
$24.
24. Adam gave us 24. Nice. Next in line.
Yeah, thanks for almost left that out.
Yeah, appreciate that. 24. And this is for Suda if you're watching later. Not getting the hits with the Nets. And then Alex Jackson. Blue Bowman Chrome. First Bowman Chrome. Number 2, 399. Alrighty, so we're going to clean up. We have our Topps 5-star. If anyone's interested, this is what it looks like. This is just pulled a little bit ago. So that's the 5-star, and we're going to try to push that next. And we have some smaller breaks.